Let's face it, moms have to know and track a lot while coordinating family schedules, cooking meals, keeping appointments, helping with kids' school projects, planning travel and celebrations, cleaning the home, and spending money wisely. She's also more likely to enjoy capturing moments through photos and journaling. She may even help run school PTAs and church events that she has weekly meetings for. Meanwhile, she's probably the one who makes sure the family pet is taken care of. A mom needs a planner to streamline her family's life. Not to mention, mothers today also have booming careers to manage. She needs to spread her wings with her own hobbies, home projects, and interests too. How can she balance and prioritize all these long to-do lists and responsibilities? A planner. But most importantly, if she has a digital planner on her tablet that syncs to her smartphone, she's always got the plans of her family's full life at her fingertips everywhere she goes. Now that's peace of mind for her. And we all know that when mom is happy, everyone is happy. I'm so excited to introduce you to our 2021 Motivate Me Mom's Digital Planner. It's a digital planner designed with mothers in mind that runs from January to December 2021. And it syncs to all your devices. So let's get started. Hey everyone, this is Mama from Blessing by Design. I want to show you the great design and easy to use features of this Motivate Me Mom's Digital Planner. I'll be showing you some examples of how you can use this planner in your daily life for scheduling, brainstorming, and creating fun projects. In this video, I'm using a Samsung Galaxy Tablet S7 Plus on the Xodo app with the S Pen. But this planner also works great on an iPad on the GoodNotes app. I hope you enjoy the video and I earn a like and a channel subscription from you. Please comment with your thoughts or questions. We love to hear from you. As you can see, this planner has a beautiful, soft, seasonal color palette and simple botanical graphics. It comes with 171 original pages that are full of calendars and templates. Oh, it's got templates galore. The most frequently used icons are here at the top of your planner. This planner has a Today button where moms can keep those daily schedules and access them easily. There are 2 daily scheduled templates included in the planner. They both allow for scheduling multiple family members by writing their names or initials on this left side. Here's an example of using a color code system so that each person has their own color and we use one color for when it's something for everyone in the family. I personally love using my digital planner for my weekly grocery shopping. I created a list using the grocery list template that I use every week. I've written a blog about this and made a video too, all about weekly meal planning with this digital planner. If anyone knows me, knows I love to cook, so I like to use my planner for editing recipes while I'm cooking. I also keep a recipe planner, but this is my daily spot for jotting down notes or importing final pictures of the dish. We've all got lots of home projects. I like the DIY template for making to-do lists, supply shopping lists, and for sketching out the details and measurements of my projects. Here's one where I was planning the new curtains for my dining room. You can use the image tool to import photos that you found your inspiration from. Or like on this home ideas template, I found some images that I liked for when we one day update the kitchen. And there's always the school projects with the kids. My second grader had to recreate an old covered wagon. A planner is great to teach the kids to be organized with their projects. There's a place to list ideas when you're brainstorming. And plenty of room to sketch a picture of the project. It's hard to predict how everyone likes to plan, so we've created lots of ways to customize this planner. We've included 4 color-coded category sections that can be filled with whatever plans you need, maybe one for each kid or one for work, or a special hobby. It's all up to you. And you can use the blank pages provided to fill these sections, or possibly even copy calendars into them. I use this section here for my design work brainstorms. I simply copied a blank page and pasted it into this section so I could plan out a digital planner. Using the tools that come with the app make it easy to create repeatable shapes. As one customer told us, you can find planner peace with this planner. We first released the Motivate Me planner in the summertime for families who like to plan for the American school calendar year that begins in August. But we had requests from our international customers for a version that runs January to December. And for all of you who just prefer to plan a new year starting in January, we will continue to offer both versions of this planner with updates releasing in July and December every year. The Year at a Glance icon will take you to a page that helps you see the whole year, with U.S. holidays listed right here. I like to use the highlighter tool on my year calendar to mark the weeks that we've got school breaks. The circle month icons are linked to the month dashboard pages. I like to use dashboards to get all of the ideas and priorities I've got swimming in my head down as lists. The bold month names are linked to the grid overview for that month. We had one mom send us her month grid because she was so proud of it. She loves filling all of her family and work plans here. She uses a color code system too, one for work, one for each family member. We also have freebies from time to time. We have a video about adding these school stickers to your planner. The weeks are numbered and listed in the left column of each month. You can tap a week number or tap on any date to go to the Monday start of that week. Other moms choose to use the weeks at a glance for more detailed information. For example, here's my week at a glance. But you could always use this left-hand column to write family members' names and have everyone's plans on the week at a glance. It's great to use a digital planner because if anything needs to be moved, it's simple to select it and move it to later in the day or to another week. Bonus links on the year calendar take you to a birthday and anniversary list page that we've included. It's stored in the Celebrate category section. Here's what my birthday anniversary page looks like, so I can see everyone at a glance. Or there's a link for the future section that has a calendar on its landing page for all of 2022. This blue icon will take you to a page of all these extra templates and pages that come with this planner. There's not time to see them all in this video, but hopefully we've given you a few examples to see how great they are. There are 28 pre-designed templates, 15 make your own blank template pages, and bonus pages with dot, line, grid patterns, and a checklist page. Whew, that's a lot of options and ability to customize and expand your planner. This question icon might be where you want to start when your planner is new. If you're new to digital planning, you'll appreciate all that we've done with this planner to help you get started and to really help you get to know this planner so you can use it more efficiently. We have a linked index. Answers to your frequently asked questions, icon labels, step-by-step instructions for adding pages in both GoodNotes and Xodo, as well as a link to our YouTube channel. The month tabs along the right-hand side are one way to access each month. Press a month tab and you'll land on a motivational verse for the month. Swipe left for that month's dashboard. Swipe left again for that month's grid overview. Continue swiping through all that month's weeks at a glance. Notice also that when you are within a month, the side tab is highlighted. On any month's week at a glance page, there are also links at the top, which would take you back to that month's grid calendar or to that month's dashboard page. The gray category tabs are your access to category sections where you can store pages that pertain to that category. We've got meals, budget, wellness, make, home, celebrate, go places, notes, and future categories. Note that on each category landing page, you'll also have access to that category's pre-designed templates, or you can make your own template for that category. Hopefully, you're now feeling excited and motivated. So click the store link in the description below, read all about what's included in this planner, and get started organizing today. But be sure to have fun, relax, and enjoy this amazing journey that your family is taking together. Thanks so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day and be blessed.